How to turn on or off adaptive battery on Tecno Spark Go 1S mobile phone. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, okay, go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to battery lab. Okay, you can tap this. In battery lab, here you can see the battery saving settings. Okay, you can tap this. In battery saving settings, you can see the adaptive battery. And the adaptive battery is off. So if you want to turn on this, okay, you'll have to do switch button on the right side. So if this turn on, detect power usage by app to improve battery efficiency. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully turned on. And if you want to turn off again, okay, you'll have to do switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully turned on or off adaptive battery on Tecno Spark Go 1S mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.